Hi everyone, it's Sherrell here at Authentically Sherrell, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to share with you a sweet and simple candy ornament gift. It was super fun, it was super easy, and it makes the perfect gifts for your children's friends. So, if you're interested in how I made this, plug in those glue guns and let's get crafting. To get started, you will need 2 plastic wash ornaments, ribbon, a pair of scissors, a bag of M&Ms, a funnel, and some buttons. Sort the red and green M&Ms. I ended up using 2 large bags to get an equal amount. I purchased my ornaments at the Dollar Tree, and to prevent the top from coming off easily, I decided to place a dime-sized amount of hot glue on the side of the ornament. I repeated the same steps on the second ornament. Then hot glue the buttons on the ornament. Create a bow and glue it on top of the ornament. This ribbon began to fray, and so I'm just cutting off the frayed pieces. How adorable are these? Thank you for joining me make these candy ornaments. I love crafting on a budget, and I enjoy sharing them with you guys. If you decide to make it, tag me on Instagram. I love to see how you did yours. So, you guys, it would be an honor if we can just build community. So please subscribe, and until next time, stay beautiful.